copyright. Anywho, hello you guys and welcome back to another vlog. So today we are about to go to Ross, and at home I have an exchange I need to do at home, and Ross, I'm just on a different side of town, and so I just wanted to see what they have in there. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. So let's go. So we made it to at home. I really didn't get too much out of Ross. I just got 2 plants that I needed. If you watched the last vlog, you seen that I wanted one for the fireplace, and I just got another one because it was only $8.99. So masking up to go into at home to see what we can find. I need to exchange that lantern that I was telling you about in the last vlog as well, this one, but I don't have an at-home bag, so it's in a Walmart bag. Don't judge me. And then I want to get a wreath for my front door, and hopefully I can find like a cute welcome mat. I want one for year round. I don't necessarily want one for like Christmassy. So we'll see what we can find. So let's go. This is a black Christmas tree. I don't think I've ever seen a black Christmas tree. That's interesting. This is interesting too. Alright, y'all, copyright.
Down the street, Christmas trees, decorations, wanna greet old Santa Claus when he arrives. Let the reindeer see the lights, light a very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas. I keep showing me every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry.
Come at home, get y'all's Halloween decor for next year. 31% off. That thing talking. Okay, y'all. I need a welcome mat. But I don't want to pay this much for a welcome mat. Ross has me spoiled. There is another Ross I could go to. Maybe I'll try it. Because I don't think I want one of these anyway. I really want like a majority black one. I don't really like these. I don't know. Maybe I need to let me bag up. Let's see. This is $9.99. This is $9.99 Home Sweet Home. These don't really say nothing. Those don't say nothing either. I think I'm gonna get this one. Home Sweet Home. Because I know my colors are black and gold. I don't really like the oval. I like the design. I think I like this one better. It's different. And welcome back to the vlog. So I wanted to do a quick little haul of everything that I got from Ross and at home. So from Ross I got this plant here. I like this. I really like it. It looks really sleek and cute. This was You don't see that. $8.99 from Ross. I didn't really need it, but I feel like you can never have too much greenery in your house, and I thought it was cute. $8.99 was really cheap, so I was like, let me go and get that real quick. The other item I got from Ross was this one. This one's really tall, and I need to spread it out and all of that. But I got this to go in front of my fireplace, because if you watch my last vlog, you'll see that I needed one. And this was $19.99. Really cheap actually for this size and this full. So I'm really happy about that. So that is everything that I got from Ross. Now we're gonna go to at home. I needed a mat, a doormat for the porch. So I got this one, and it just says Home Sweet Home. I like because it's rubber. I don't like the other styles, and then I like how it's like kind of black and gold. And this was $9.99. Okay, and then I got the other lantern that I needed. I switched it out. I hope it looks good next to the big one, and it shows the right light that I need. So that was $9.99. Okay, and then I got the other small black pillow that I needed. In the last vlog, I told you guys that I was changing my color scheme, and I'm doing accents of black and gold and silver for like the winter months. And this pillow is $7.99. And then I also got the bigger one to go on the couch. I really like these. Nice, big, and fluffy. This is the bigger one. And it was $14.99. Yeah, did I ever see that? Okay. And then last but not least, what I'm probably excited about the most, because for the longest I've always wanted one of these, and I just never ended up finding one that I absolutely loved. And that is my wreath. I'm so excited to hang this on the door. When babe comes home, he's probably gonna be like, oh my gosh, woman. If I can get it out of the bag without tearing it up. Probably gonna have glitter everywhere, but I don't care. Look at it! It's so cute! It was $39.99. It's frosted. Is that what you call it? Or flaked? I don't know. I have no idea. But I like that it has gold and silver in it. And then it also has like these in it. I really love it, y'all. I feel like I can put this out for fall and winter because it has all the colors that I like. I just love it. Absolutely love it. I'll probably have this on my dough till spring, till I find one for spring, because that's just how I am. So yes, you guys, so that is the end of the haul. That's everything that I got today. So I'm gonna put everything where I want it and then let you guys see. black pillow to go somewhere. And then I may want to put some more Christmas stuff down here possibly. And then I still need to find like a black and gold or some type frame there, and then something to go in that vase. So yes, you guys, this is what it's looking like. The other black pillow is in the entryway. I felt that would be good to put some black here too. So I still need to get the mirror. I am so tired now. I'm about to chill out and relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me haul / decorate, and whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.